I'm Bill, and I'm really proud to be the Managing Director at Clawson, but I'm even more proud to say that I'm a cheesemaker. I would say that every single person in our organisation, all the way through from our farmers, through the people, all the way through our supply chain in helping us get the product from farm to fork, are very much cheesemakers. And each of them, in their own special way, make sure that we can delight our consumers by getting fantastic quality products into their hands.
I joined Clawson 15 years ago as an engineering apprentice. I then became an engineer, then a shift lead, and now I look after all the projects and improvements across the business. Clawson fully supported me and helped me throughout the career and is a great place to work.
I've been working at Clawson for 6 years, and yeah, it gets really busy, and I really enjoy myself. It's like I say, I met quite a lot of people in my time here, and it's great working here, and I'm happy here.
The reason I was so interested in Clawson is because it's another opportunity for me to take a basic ingredient, something very simple, very straightforward, and turn it into something amazing that everybody loves. It's one of the reasons why I love doing what I do. Every day is a different adventure. There is always something new to learn, always a different skill to pick up, there's always a different environment to work in.
What I really enjoy about the place is that you're just sort of left to your own devices. You're not micromanaged or anything like that. You just get on with your job, you know what you're doing. It's a really friendly atmosphere, and that's really nice about it. So yeah, it's a great place to work, and come join the team.
I've enjoyed working here immensely. There's been some enormous challenges over the years, but the nice part of this business is very much like working for a family business. A lot of people who do work here now have served a lot more years than I have, but it has a family feel to it. It's a very enjoyable place to work.
So what I say to you, if you'd like to come to us and make yourself part of a We Care culture, and if you'd also like to become a cheesemaker, then please contact our People and Culture team.